Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram creator account cannot be private problem. Okay, so before that please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you the problem. If I open Instagram and if I click on account icon, then go to settings. For make it private, if I just scroll down and go to account privacy. Now if I try to enable it, I just click on switch to private. You can see here the problem is showing creator account cannot be private. So let me show you how to fix this problem. Actually this problem occurs because your account is set as professional account. So first of all you need to switch your account from professional to personal. So let me show you. Just get back. Here click on creator tools and controls. From here scroll down and click on switch account type. Then select switch to personal account. Then again tap on switch to personal. That's it, now your account is personal. Now just get back. Again go to account privacy. Now if I try to enable it, as you can see now this option is turned on and also my account is private. So friend, that's the way how you can fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.